Alright, Section 4, cab lights, whistles, bells, standards, and signal cabs. Rule number 126 with the word cab with the U with the rule for the instruction of the main of the portion of the substructure that utilize the housing of an engine man. Parts of the locomotive of the passageway with the provide with the U with the engine man with the cabin and superstructure with the tap with the securely embrace. Cab windows located with the main team of the engine man will have the clear of the view of the track and signal the usual proper position of the cab, the front cab of the window with which end are in line with the engine vision with the look ahead with the visual proper position of the cab, the equipped with the plane with the clean with the outside with the window with the over the position with the provide with the clear view with the track and signal ahead that may be equipped with the window which hinge of the top of it is so played with the glass each with the door with the window with the close with the opening with the fasten with the desired position of the cab. The hinge windows will be 5 inches high with the lower edge will be without obstructing nearly the possible with the line with the engine man vision will he be seated in the cab. The deck placed on the floor cab passageway of the compartments will be kept free of accumulation, oil, waste, and other obstructive create and unnecessary have the deck plate with the metal floors will be rough and property with the other provision made with the floor of the secure fitting. Floors of the engine man compartments will be constructed and covered with the heat insulation material. The engine man compartments will be provided with a heat arranged with the main maintained heat therein temperature of not less than 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperature will be taken substantially with the center of the compartment, not only with the normal winter weather conditions or with the running condition of the locomotive with the door of the windows closed. Aprons of the cover plate with the U of the between the compartments will the proper length with the width. They ensure the safety. They will be hinged and fastened securely rough and with the other provisions made with a forward secure footing. 91 lighting. If the locomotive is equipped with the operator with blackout area with both headlight with the cab light will do connect the headlight. Rule number 127 that each of the locomotive and road surface between the sunset and sunrise with equipped with the headlight sufficient illumination permits such for the career of happens for the dark man side of the object less than at least 800 feet in the front of the headlight with a person in the cab of the locomotive so the headlight will be maintained in a good condition. Each locomotive road surface regularly required with the run backward at any portion of the trip except for the pickup of the detached portion of the train with the making the terminal movements will be equipped with the headlight with beneath the requirements of one above. Such headlight with them describe them 1 and 2 with them above with the provide with the device whereby the lights will diminish with the station within the yard of the meeting of the train with the 2 more locomotives due within the same train with the leading locomotive that will only require the display with the headlight. Each locomotive with the U with the yard surface between the sunset and sunrise with the 2 lights, one located on the front of the locomotive with one on the rear. Each of the lights sufficient power to enable the person on the cab locomotive under the condition of visual and including visual capacity set forth in 1 above. See the dark object with described in the discussion distance at least 300 feet above the from such headlight. Such headlights maintain in the good condition classification of the marker light. Rule number 128. Each locomotive provided with the classification marker lights at this point required transportation off of which such lamps are either maintained with good working order classification light with the lighted electrically. Cab lights. Rule number 129. Each locomotive unit will have with cab lights will provide with sufficient illumination control of the instrument with the gauge to enable the engine man to make with the accurate reading of the usual proper position of the cab. These lights will be located with the construction maintained and the light will shine only on those parts requiring illumination that will be light with conveniently located with the enable the personnel with the operating with the locomotive to read easily accurate with the train over the timetable to construct with the silver that the man be dark and extinguished regrettably. Cab passageway in the compartments will have the adequate illumination when the parts required with the pass one cab and another the platform of the passageway between the illuminated lights will be located with the construct with the shield with the blue light with the blue interfere with the engine man's vision with the track signals. For all lights may be supplied with the entire storage batteries as desired, and with lights not supplied with the storage battery, they will 2 more lighting circles that provide illumination required in paragraph 1, 2, and 3 above. The batteries contains will be properly vetted. Alright, 92, whistle, bells, signals, and train signals. Whistle. Rule number 130, each locomotive will provide the suitable whistle as equivalent located that may be the operator conveniently with the engine man and the motor man from the customary position of the cab. B. Headlight, sandblock with the bells and whistle. Rule 131, these will be located safe with accessible play with the locomotives are equipped with the overhead current collector with headlights. The sandblocks are located, constructed, rearranged so that they are given the necessary with the repair with attention without requiring person to mount a roof that become exposed with the contact with the parts carrying high tension electrical circuit. C. Standard. Rule number 132 for each locomotive until the equipped with the proper sanding apron with the sand pipe shall be fastened securely arranged with the delivery for the sand with the rail with the front with the wheel with the contact. Standards will be tested before each trip. D. Train signal system. Rule number 133 for the train signal system will be tested before each trip to maintain safe suitable condition with the service. Section 5. Electrical equipment.